Yeah. Atanu and Dipanjali, you both can hear us, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, it's audible.
Okay, awesome.
Okay. So, one second. Let me open that application.
And once this meeting is done, yeah, so if you can send me the recording to my email, yes.
Yes, so my screen is visible, right?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yes, it is visible
When
now.
it is visible? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So here is our PDOA app, that is the aggregator app. One second. This is the aggregator app.
Okay.
Okay. And another is our PDO app. Okay. So let me walk through that aggregator app first. Then it is easy for you to understand the PDO app.
Please.
Okay. So basically that aggregator app, Nanovise create that credential, login credential. The aggregator doesn't have to have the option to create its own ID password. Okay, once a aggregator successfully onboard with us, we create the login ID and password. Okay. Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
okay. That's understood. Yeah, please proceed.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, we can check both the things. Yes. Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, so the first thing what we have to do, not we, basically the aggregator, he needs to map the device to the PDO. Okay, so here is a create user option.
I can see that.
Yeah, and when you tap that select type, there are two options, PDO and non-PDO. Basically, an aggregator maybe have that PDO or a coordinator, like you are doing marketing for us, so you are a non-PDO for us. Okay, so we create your account under the non-PDO type so that you can access that aggregator app. Got it? Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yes.
So even I could create an aggregator, right? Wherein I would aggregator would be kind of a distributor who would again bring PDOs under him. So that access would be there with me.
Sorry. Can you please repeat,
So,
because I have
so my
another
point
call.
was that as per my discussion with Ashok ji, I could
Yeah.
create a
PDO.
coordinator also, right?
Okay,
No,
you can
I
create a
can create a
coordinator
PDO.
as well as PDO. Yeah.
Correct, exactly. So a coordinator is basically a distributor who would again
Yeah.
bring PDOs under him. I mean, the term
Yes,
distributor we
yes,
won't
yes,
use,
yes.
but just for our sake of
Yes,
understanding.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely
Fine.
right.
That's clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the name field, mobile number, address, bank account number. All these fields are mandatory. And I'm not going through all this. Then what an aggregator or a coordinator do, PDO mapping. So here is a PDO mapping section. So once a user or once you create an user successfully, you can see in the owner section that name and the mobile number. Basically, maybe there is a possibility that two PDO or two coordinator have the same name. So what we do,
Right.
that name and mobile number both are showing, correct? And you need to select the PDO. Let's say this is your mobile number, correct? sorry, which mobile number? This is a demo mobile number actually.
Yeah, this is a
And
demo
here is
number.
yeah. And you can see that device MAC ID. Basically, these are the device MAC ID. When you assign the MAC ID to an aggregator, they can map the device to an PDO, basically, because a device only mapped with the PDO.
Got you.
Okay.
Got
So
you.
let's say
So
I'm
basically,
mapping that.
say if I as your service provider,
Yeah.
I can bring PDOs as well as PDO coordinators. So I would be having a certain login ID of yours, right? Wherein
Yes,
I can
yes,
log in
yes,
and I
yes.
can create. So you'd be providing me that. As of now, I just have demos. Correct?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, fine.
And that PDO mapping will be done by from our end, because basically the PDO doing the having that agreement with Nanovise, correct? So we
Yes,
map the PDO under yours. Basically, we map that PDO with the device and put that PDO under your account in backend.
correct.
So so the PDO mapping, you
Actually,
don't worry
once
about
I
that
get
PDO mapping. Yeah,
Yeah, no,
yeah,
no, that's okay. Once I get access, like a particular
yes.
access to this PDOA app, what I can do is I can go into it and I can create
You
a
just
PDO
create a
or I can
PDO.
create PDO
Yeah.
coordinator,
Yes, yes. You just create a
right?
PDO
And
and just mailed us that this PDO is a new PDO and he is willing to purchase a device, so that we courier
right,
that device and map that device to that PDO.
fine. So that your
Okay.
technical team would be doing. When
Yes,
once I
yes, yes.
receive the access, as you said, a separate ID and password would be created for me.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
through
Yeah.
that, I would be logging in into the PDOA app. Okay, this much
Yes.
is clear.
Okay. So let me map that device. The mapping is done. So here you can see the list of that device owner and the device MAC ID. Okay. So I'm going back to the dashboard section, and here you can see the total number of devices under that aggregator or coordinator. How many devices are currently, means in the real time is online, and how many are offline? What is the uh, online users count? It is showing 0, and the device is offline. That's why offline devices is 1.
Got it.
Okay, and in the graph section, you see that x-axis is the month axis and y is the amount, means the earning. So the 3 means March 2023. In March 2023, through this device, 15 rupees total recharges are done, and 3 is the commission. Commissions mean your commission. Okay, so 3 rupees is your commission. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, so at the time of create user, you have an option, select the commission type. Here is the percentage, and for the what PDO, we are taking 20%, correct? So when we set 20%, so automatically in the application, it auto calculated basically for the PDO and for the coordinator. No need to calculate manually.
Okay.
Okay, so uh, let's suppose 2 users are currently online. So in the online section, basically you can see the mobile number and their duration of what you can say, the session duration. You can see 2 columns are there, the mobile number and the session duration. Let's say the mobile number is online for last 2 hours. So it is visible here in the online section, online user section. Okay. And here is the device status. Device status means which is online, which device is offline. You can see when you tap on the MAC ID, you can see the details. Sorry, it is a demo account. That's why it's not showing the details. Basically, you can see the owner name, device name, mobile number of that PDO, email ID of that PDO, description, hardware type, because we have 2 or 3 devices. So this aggregate, this PDO own which hardware, that MI4A or EAP225. Basically, you can see that hardware version and device creation date. If the device is restart, the date and time will be visible here. and the last contact, last the sorry. So basically, you can see the device status here, so that if a device is offline, you can call that PDO and inform them. PDO also have the access to see the device is online or offline, but you can monitor the device and you can tell the PDO that the device is offline, whatever may be the reason, maybe that is electricity problem or internet is not connected to that device, but you can at least inform that PDO that device is not online.
Okay.
Okay. So here is the user data usage. Let's say these are my numbers. These are mine, 9777. So whenever I access that Pmwani device, my mobile download or upload some data. There are some data in or data out, which are in which are in KB. Basically, it's showing MB, but the digit is in what KB, kilobytes. Okay, so the user, let's say 1 GB data for one day, I have purchased this plan. So here you can see that the consumption of that user, that out of 1 GB, how much that user consume.
Yes,
Okay, so
I can see that.
yeah, and you can filter that mobile number. For example, for a particular mobile number, you got a ticket that there is some problem with a user. So you can filter that mobile number and date range so that you can see the exact um, data usage of that user for that particular time range or the date range. Or else it default showing all the data. Okay. And here is the monthly earning. You can see all the PDOs and their month-wise earning. Let's say this is month, this is October, correct? In October, the total amount, the recharge amount is 44. Your commission is 88. So when you tap on that 44, you can see exactly from which PDO, how much is the earning. Currently, there is only one PDO, so that it is showing PDO name, and 44 is the total amount recharged to that device, and 8.8 is your commission amount.
So it's like 44 rupees and or
44
it's
rupees.
44.
Yeah, 44 rupees. 44 rupees. Okay.
And 8.8 is the commission of whom? Like the PDOA.
Yes, PDOA. PDOA.
Okay. Like
Okay.
20% of it.
Yes, and let's say a single PDO has multiple devices. Here I'm mapped only one device. Let's say this PDO has 2 or 3 devices, correct? So when you tap on that PDO name, you can see all the devices and device-wise earning. This is the device one that the MAC ID end with 18F2. Like that, you can see all the MAC ID list, and through that MAC ID, how much is the recharge. Um, One second. No, yeah, this much. Only that MAC ID, and through that MAC ID, how much is the recharge is done and what is the commission of that aggregator. Okay, because aggregator and coordinator terms are internal matter. That 7.5 or something, whatever may be the agreement with you, that is our internal matter. No need to provide that information to the PDO. PDO only see that what is the amount that is the commission, what is the commission amount basically of that aggregator. Okay, so monthly billing is not ready yet. Monthly billing is actually we are trying to integrate a payment gateway so that the payment can be processed through this page. Let's suppose Nanovise has to pay 20 rupees to a PDO. So from here only, Nanovise can pay to that PDO directly. No need to go to that a bank section or something like that. So it is under construction right now. So uh, let's move to the recharge history. Recharge history is just simple that basically the user recharge details are displayed here. Like this is the mobile number, what is the plan that user purchased, and what is the amount that user paid for that plan, and the payment status, order ID, and through which device that user paid. Basically, let's say you sell you not you basically let's say Nanovise provide you 10 devices, correct? And you have 3 devices with you and 7 devices. You have sold that 7 devices to the PDO. So basically, this user recharged through which Pmwani device. This is the MAC ID of that device, not the mobile, that Android mobile or iOS mobile. This the device MAC ID means the Pmwani device MAC ID.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now the support is nothing. That is a mobile number and WhatsApp calling time and email ID. So that's it for the PDOA. And the PDO app is very simple app because nothing has to do for the PDO, only that view access is there. Let me check your PDO email ID. Demo PDO. So that's the dashboard is same. The PDO can see only its device, not all device. Only that device mapped with that PDO. You can see that device, the total number of devices assigned to that PDO, and how
Right.
many of the devices online or
Right.
offline, and how many online users are there currently. Okay. And you can see the device status same like that aggregator, that whether my device is online or offline, you can monitor through this section. And user data usage is same. There we can see all the data users, all the users of under our what devices. But here only the device mapped with that PDO, we can see only those mobile numbers.
Correct. So
And
basically, like a PDOA has access to see all the devices under its coordinators as well as the PDOs under those coordinators. A
yes, yes, yes.
PDO only has access to the device which
To the devices
he
only
has given
mapped.
knowledge.
Yes,
Like
yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
And monthly earning is same. The PDO have the transparency to see that how much is the recharge amount that has done to its all devices, and what is the commission amount that is going to be deducted from the recharge amount. Hello.
Right.
And
Hear you.
same is a
Yeah, I can hear
recharge
you.
of, yeah, unique feature is there. There is a recharge option. The recharge feature is there, which is not available in the aggregator app. So this section is basically for the user in the rural area. There might be some users who don't have the internet banking facility, but they are willing to avail that Pmwani service. So in that case, they can go to that Wi-Fi booth, and like in the past, we are doing our mobile recharges. We go to
Right,
the
right. They
mobile
would be
recharge
giving
shop.
cash to them. They would be
Yes,
giving
yes,
cash, and the PDO would be recharging on their
yes,
behalf.
yes, yes, yes,
Got you.
yes. Okay. And the recharge is, it is same like the aggregator. There we see all the recharges, only recharges done through its devices. And the
Mhm.
support and section is same.
Okay.
Support section is same.
Okay. Got you.
So,
And these two are clear now. These two are clear. We just have to work on the percentages, as in like our work, like being your service provider, we are working on behalf of you. So basically an access
yes.
with this PDOA app, the PDOA app would help us create uh,
Yeah, create user.
these
Just basic.
types of two categories. Yeah.
Hello. Actually, your voice is not audible.
It's sorry. Okay.
Hello.
Now, one moment. Uh, Let me go to some place where I have better Wi-Fi. Now is it better?
Yeah, it is better. So
Still not better?
basically, it's okay,
Okay.
but
So basically,
you just need to do
yeah,
one thing. Just
simply, I mean, once
create
I
a
get
PDO.
access to, yes, please.
Yeah, you just need
Okay.
to one thing. You just create a PDO, either create a PDO and let us know that you have created a PDO, and the rest process will be done from our side. No need to worry about that. The
Understood.
rest,
I mean, what I'm trying to say is, apart from creating a PDO, I can
yeah.
also create a PDO coordinator, which is a non-PDO in
Yes,
your
yes, you
drop
can
down.
create.
Right.
Yes, yes. In the create
Either
user
of those I
section,
would create,
yeah.
and then I'll let you know that this has been created, and the rest you would be taking care of. Fine.
Yes,
That's
yes, yes, yes.
understood. Fine. So both these apps are okay. I mean, once I get the actual access to the PDOA app, that is all that I need. And apart from that, as you said, that a device would be mailed to my address, like a physical device.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's one thing. And the other thing is, Ashokji said that there is some portal, which helps the PDO to place ads on his Wi-Fi network, like GIF ads or image ads.
Yes,
So I
yes.
would like to have access to that too.
Yes, actually that part is already integrated with our commercial Wi-Fi, but it is under process.
Okay.
We haven't integrated with the Pmwani basically. So when it is
Yeah.
done, Ashok ji will coordinate with you that how to manage that ad section.
Fine. That's okay. And regarding the commercial Wi-Fi, should we keep a meeting on Monday again? Any time as per your
Yeah. So once you get that device, it is easy for you to understand the commercial device. Basically, there are few options. That is one is voucher option. Okay. And another is PIN plus OTP. Means there is a PIN. First, it is
Yeah,
authenticate with that PIN. Then
I understand.
that OTP
After that, he
will
can
work.
access.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So for that, I mean, what I had actually requested, so the PM1 device, one PM1 device, you would be emailing me. Sorry, you'd be sending me over mail. So
Yes,
that I
yes,
can
yes.
set up, and the complete thing I can use as a demo to show people who are coming to office or something.
Yeah.
This can be one. But for the
Yes.
commercial one also, I might need a device and the Wi-Fi management system. So basically,
Yeah.
for that, do you have any demo?
Actually, that device which we are going to mail you, the device can
Uh-huh.
also be used as a commercial Wi-Fi. So when you
Okay,
need that,
fantastic.
yeah, it can be
Then
used
fine.
in both way. Yeah.
It can be used in both. So in that case,
Yeah.
I would be needing a demo of the Wi-Fi
Commercial
management
Wi-Fi.
system. Yeah, the commercial Wi-Fi management system. As in, say, somebody is using, so a hotel is using, or a cafe is using, how he can manage his Wi-Fi, how he can create coupons. So if you have
Yeah,
a
sure,
video
sure.
on that, that would also be okay.
Yeah, it is a very simple process. We can do
Yeah.
that demo on Monday.
Correct.
It takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes because nothing has to do from the hotel admin section. Just you need to create
Both ways.
a
So
voucher.
I'm going to approach in the commercial Wi-Fi way as well as the Pmwani way. So let's keep the meeting
Yes,
on
yes.
Monday then.
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
hello.
Hello.
I think
Yeah. So
Ashokji
let's
is
keep the
also
meeting on
in
Monday
line.
then. Okay.
Hello. Ashokji, are you there?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah,
I
I
guess.
can. I just joined. Yeah,
Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can hear you.
It's audible.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes, can you hear me now? Yeah. Okay, tell me. So we can have the commercial Wi-Fi training on Monday. Is that okay?
Yes. That is okay.
Okay.
No problem.
And please send me this please send me the recording once in case I have missed any part. And if I have any questions, I'll be posting on the group.
Okay. No issue.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you.
কি বললো?
বেরোলো আমি ওকে বললাম যে আমি এরকম গাড়ি আছে
হুম।
ওই একটা ওর সাথে কথা বললো বললো এটা যে